Meanwhile, there may now be a plan for some of the federal COVID relief funding that's coming to St. Joseph. A volunteer group met this morning to finalize its list for the first $19 million. KQ2's Daniel Soxie with more on the details.
After deliberating on what to do with the remaining $400,000 of COVID relief funding, city leaders deciding on 7 local agencies and the health department to receive the last of it.
And then about $200,000 for several different agencies, the Bartlett Center, Sisters of Solace, agencies such as that.
In the proposal, the Public Health Department will receive the final $200,000 for continued COVID relief. All of these additions bring the total to 21 projects the committee feels like deserves funding from the American Rescue Plan Act, and in all, $13 million being dispersed throughout the community.
I think the committee did an exceptional job of doing its homework and understanding the ARPA and making really good, solid decisions based on what the regulations are and based on what the requests were from the community.
The bigger projects include a Hilliard technical expansion, creating jobs through the Missouri Western Law Enforcement Academy, and opening a Children's Discovery Center in downtown St. Joe.
The expansion of Hilliard Technical Center will bring new opportunities for students and adults for continuing education, for education in the trades, in terms of public safety, funding the Missouri Western Law Enforcement Academy. I think that's a great program that will provide 30 new officers in St. Joseph and help address the public safety issue.
Wagner feels confident in the committee's list designed to enhance the community, which still needs to be approved by the City Council.
What I'm proudest of is that we listened to what the community had to say, we applied the rules of the ARPA, and I think we came up with a really strong list.
Reporting in St. Joseph, Danielle Soxie, KQ2 News.
City Council will review that list at a work session next Monday. How to spend the other $19 million in funding that will come will be looked at after a new council is elected next April.